What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here. We're gonna make a little morning coffee. I drink decaf, by the way. Uh, Long story, but yeah, I now drink decaf coffee and I'm fine with it. So whatever. If you're tired of coffee filters, I actually reuse them if I can. You know, after I make my coffee, and then you can empty out the spent coffee grounds. Then you can actually reuse it, but this is a new one, obviously. But if you are just tired of messing with coffee filters, this is one of those little Mr. Coffee little 5 cup brewers. You know, it's little guy like you'd see in a hotel room or whatever. Anyway, if you're tired of messing with these things, a permanent coffee filter. It's like little mesh, very fine little screen material in here. Plastic with its little handle, little bucket, looking cute. This is a reusable coffee filter. So you just drop her right down in there and put your put your coffee grounds in there, and then you can just dump it out, rinse it out, and do it again. Not very expensive. I'll put a link down below where you can get them. You know, I'll put one for the little 4 or 5 cup job like this, or the larger 10 cup pot. Very simple. Coffee filters are, they just get it gets old having to mess with that all the time. And it's wasteful as well. So there you go. Check out our channel. We got tons of stuff on it. You know, either stuff around the house or working on your vehicles, motorcycles, dirt bikes, classic cars, Mustangs, Ford Taurus, Chevy trucks, stuff. Yamaha motocross bikes, little Honda CRF 80, Polaris Trailblazer 250, Polaris Predator 50, Suzuki LTA 50 even. We got all kinds of just, how-to videos as well as entertainment videos. So check it out. My beloved coffee mugs. But yeah, have a look through our channel. We got so much stuff on there, and we're adding stuff all the time. Almost daily, we're putting new stuff up. So check it out, and look for our new channel, Horsepower House 2.0. And Google us. We're all over the internet with an eBay store, Amazon store, Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, blah, blah, blah. That's it. Biker Dave signing off. Enjoy your morning coffee. We'll see you.